Hello, good evening. Welcome to ITV News, our main headline tonight. Murder of a family in Penajam revealed by Suking Kutas. A teenager with the initial J in Penajam Pasir Utara, East Kalimantan, was arrested after killing 5 people from the same family who were his neighbors. This case was revealed after police found Kutas soaking in the well behind the perpetrator's house. At first, the perpetrator did not admit it. When we investigated the crime scene, we found evidence of Kutas soaked in the well behind the perpetrator's house. Finally, from there he admitted he was the perpetrator, said PPU. Police Chief AKBP Supriyanto to Detikcom. Supriyanto said that the perpetrator soaked his Kutas because they were stained with blood after killing the victims. The police were previously suspicious of the victim who reported the murder case to the local RT head. His Kutas had blood scientists soaked in him. When we went to the RT, he had already sweared had changed his Kutas, and his machete has been wasted. This also was revealed because the perpetrator reported to the RT with his brother. But his statement did not match. After being confronted, he finally admitted his action, he explained. A number of NATO members urged Hungary to grant Sweden's membership request. A number of NATO members are increasing pressure on Hungary Prime Minister Viktor Orban to immediately approve Sweden's entry into the alliance. After Hungarian lawmakers resolved to vote on Sweden's candidate this week, Sweden applied to join the NATO alliance in May 2022 after Russia invaded Ukraine in February that year. But Hungary has repeatedly delayed ratification of Sweden's membership. Hungary is the only country to prevent Sweden from joining NATO after Turkey gave its consent last month. Ankara previously expressed concern regarding Sweden's decision to protect a Kurdish separatist group that Turkey considered terrorist. As the Hungarian parliament entered its winter recess, a number of opposition lawmakers held an extraordinary session on Monday. In an attempt to force a vote, members of Orban Fidesz party resolved to attend even though Orban declared last month that they supported Sweden join NATO and would urge his party to agree to Sweden's request. Magelang tumpang menoreh at a new ride in the form of a mini jeep. Tourists with mini jeep usually go around the village and forest around Tumpeng Menoreh. This mini jeep is rented to visitors. Rent this mini jeep for 250 Indonesian rupiah, and then you can use the road provided. The management deliberately made a track specifically for this mini-jeep. This mini-jeep can only accommodate 2 people. Apart from forest and village by riding a mini-jeep, tourists can enjoy tourist destination around Tumpang Menoreh. Mini-jeep trip tourist attraction where tourists can use this tiny 2-minute jeep to go around the forest, around the village, enjoying the atmosphere in Glang Projo, Magelang, Kulon Progo, and Purwokerto. We have prepared the road very well safety. The only made the track specifically for mini jeep, said Eric. On of manager of Tumpang Menoreh Sandai. According to Eric, the route was deliberately made to stop at the village around Tumpang Menoreh. This is done to build interaction between tourists and residents. We hope that in this way, residents can also be stimulated in their creativity and offer something to hold them back. There are educational tours, so monggo pinara. Going into the village, going into the house will be given at education